Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students, how are you? I hope you are doing great and you are safe at home. I hope so. Okay, today's lesson is in this video lesson I am going to take poem. Okay, this is third lesson. What is the poem name? All of you take your book. Okay, those who have your book, please take out your book and listen the poem. Page number 30, Bang the Drum. Okay, the poem name is Bang the Drum. Who is written this poem? Bryan Adams and Nelly Furtado. Okay, Bryan Adams and Nelly Furtado. So, what is the poem about? Do you know that? The poem is about challenges and bright futures a player has in front of him. The poet explains how a player should be prepared at all times. Okay, the poet is going to explain how the players, okay, who are going to participate in the Olympic Games, they have to be before the game. Okay, how they want to be. Okay, so he is giving a motivation to the players. So the song Bang the Drum is written by Bryan Adams and Nelly Furtado. It is a tribute to athletes. Athletes means those who are sportsmen. Okay, those who are participating in the Olympic game. Bryan Adams and Nelly Furtado, it is a tribute to athletes who participated in 2010 Olympics at Vancouver. Okay, so he is giving motivation to the players. Okay, those who are participated in 2010 Olympics in Vancouver. So now we are going to see the stanza. Okay, how the poet is giving motivation to the players. The motto of the Olympic is Citius, Altius, Fortius. Okay, they are given three words. Okay, in Latin language they are telling. What does that mean? Citius means faster. Altius means higher. Fortius means in Latin language they are given stronger. Okay, the three words are given. This is the motto of the modern Olympics. How does self-belief drive an athlete to reach the zenith of his glory? Let's enjoy the song. So this is the poem about self-belief. Okay, those who are participating in the game, they should have the self-belief. Okay, self-belief drive an athlete to reach the highest place. Okay, this is the, so this writer, the poet, is giving motivation to the players. So the song is written by Bryan Adams and Nelly Furtado. Okay, before going to that, we have to know about the author. Okay, we have to know about the poet. So the song was performed by popular Canadian singer. So this song was performed by popular Canadian singer Bryan Adams and Nelly Furtado in the opening ceremony in the year 2010 Winter Olympics at BC Place Stadium in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, as a tribute to the athletes presented there. So this is the song is performed by Bryan Adams and Nelly Furtado in the opening ceremony of 2020 Olympic game. Okay, they are giving motivation for the athletes. They both belong to Vancouver. Vancouver is a place. Bryan Adams is a world famous Canadian singer. So who is Bryan Adams? We have to know about the poet. So Bryan Adams is a world famous Canadian singer, lyricist, guitarist, record producer, philanthropist, animal rights activities, and photographer. Oh my god. So he has so much of talents. Okay. Not only a singer, he has so many talent. He was born on 5th November 1959 to British parents, migrated to Canada. So he is born in British, but he shifted to Canada. His most popular albums are Reckless. So what is the most popular albums he are selling? So, songs he is produced. No, what are the songs he produces? Reckless, Walking Up the Neighbors, Cuts Like a Knife, Anthology, So Far So Good, Till I Die, Into the Fire. He is well known for the social and humanitarian activities. He was awarded Grammy, Golden Globe and Juno. Okay, so so many awards also he got. And then we are coming to the Nelly Furtado. Nelly Furtado is a Canadian singer, songwriter born to Portuguese parents. So he was born in Portuguese parents on December 1978. She emerged as an international singer with her first album itself, Ova Nelly, produced with the help of a singer Gerald Eaton, musician Brian West. Her another major albums, she is also performed many albums are Folklore, Loose, My Plan, The Spirit, Indestructible, Right. She was also got so many awards. Billboards, Grammy and Juno. These are the awards she got. Okay, she was awarded Billboards, Grammy and Juno. So both are well talented. They are not only singers, but also they are indulged in many activities also. So now we are going to see the poem. Okay, so the poet is giving motivation to the participant in the Olympic game. You and I together will reach for the sky. So what the poet is telling, you and I, we can together, we reach for the sky. Okay, we reach for the sky. It's not about winning, it's all about playing the game. What the poet is telling, don't bother about the winning. It is a participation. Okay, it is a participation is more important than winning the game. Okay, from east, from west, each of us trying our best. So what the poet is telling, from east means the Olympic games, the players are coming from different all over the world. Okay, so from east or west, okay, anywhere you are coming. So each of us, we have to try our best. Okay, so the players are coming all over the world, so we have to give our best. The poet is telling, chasing a dream, burning to burning to follow the flame. So you should have a dream. Okay, and then you should have the burning flame with you. Okay, burning passion in you. Bang the drum a little louder. So what the poet is telling, bang the drum a little louder. You can you can bang the drum a little louder, so the whole world can hear. If you drum it, the whole world can hear the sound. The whole world can hear, sing the song a little louder. So the whole world is watching you, so you can sing it louder. So the whole world can hear. So the whole world can hear. So here the repetition is coming. Why the repetition is coming? Because to give the motivation for the players. From near, from far, it's clear, wherever you are. So wherever you are, this is your moment, your time to run like the wind. So those who are participating in the game, you have to run like a wind. How the wind is coming very fast, that much of energy you should have. Okay, the poet is telling, dream big. So you have to dream a big, aim high. Your aim should be high. even believe you can fly. So you have to believe that you can fly also without your wings. Give it your all. Let the games begin. Bang the drum a little louder. So again the repetition is coming. So the same thing is repeated. Bang the drum a little louder. So you have to give the beat a louder, so the whole world can hear. Okay, the sound will the whole world can hear. Jump up a little higher. So you can jump up also. Okay, with your energy, if you jump up, the world can see you. Okay, in the games they are participating, no, so that much of energy you have to put in the game, the poet is telling. The whole world can see you, all the people are watching you. Okay, they sing the song a louder, so you have to sing the song louder, so the world can hear. Again, bang the drum a little louder, so the whole world can hear. Bang the drum a little louder, so the world can hear. The world can hear. Sing the song a little louder. Sing the song also a little louder, so the world can hear. The world can hear. Bang the drum. So here all are the first two stanza is again repeated. Okay, same repeated. Why? Because to give the motivation for the participant, okay, in the Olympic game. So here this is the simple poem. Nothing. The poet is in the Olympic game 2010. Is giving the motivation for the participant in the Olympic game. Okay, and he is telling, okay, you should have the energy, you should have the aim, you should have what is that goal. Okay, and everything. So participation is not important. Winning is not important. Participation is more important, he is telling. So these are the beautiful lines is written by Bryan Adams and Nelly Furtado. And here one thing I want to say you, search repetition. Okay, search repetition of stanza, no, create an emphasis and interest to this theme. Okay, what is the theme? To give the motivation to the participation. So to interest the theme, again the repetition is coming. So such kind of repetition is called refrain. Okay, refrain. So the repetition in a poem, what we call it as refrain. The last two lines are repeated here in different stanza. What effect does it make? Okay, and then what are the repetition words we having? So the world can see you. So the world can see you. Okay, these are repetition words. And then the poetic device also here used here is consonants. It is similar to alliteration. Alliteration also same sound is coming, same word is coming, but alliteration is the repetition of the consonant sound at the beginning of the words, while consonants may be at the middle, the end, or anywhere in the words. Cop stop, the trembling gamblers fell off. So the repetition is another word is called it as refrain. Alliteration also same words are repeating, no, that we call it as alliteration. And then here the father of the modern Olympic Games, Mr. Pierre de Coubertin, says the important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win. Okay, what is that? The important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win, but to take part. Okay, whether you are winning the game is not important. You have to participate in the game is very important. They are silly. The important thing in life is not triumph. So the important thing in our life, what? It's not triumph. To winning is not. To struggle. Okay, to struggle. We have to face the obstacles and struggles. Okay, that is important, they are saying. So, this is a beautiful poem. All of you at home, please read the beautiful stanzas. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, next I will see you in next class. Until then, be safe. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.